Vivo X Fold 5 hands-on and unboxing. Video leaks very light and slim. Vivo is unveiling the X Fold 5 in China on June 25th, while its global launch may be coming on July 10th. The teasers show the handset come in white, green, black, with a Zeiss-branded triple rear camera unit. The Vivo X Fold 5's teasers have started in China. The teaser video confirms that the Vivo X Fold 5 will be lighter than the Vivo X Fold 3, which weighs 219 grams. The device will weigh only 209 grams and measure 4.3 mm when unfolded and 9.33 mm in the folded state. Vivo X Fold 5 tested to survive -20 degrees Celsius conditions with no performance drop. Vivo's next-generation horizontally folding or book-like flagship smartphone. There will also be a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The foldable carries an IPX9 rating for protection against high-pressure water jets, and even boasts an IPX9+ rating for underwater folding. On the other hand, will allegedly come with an 8.03-inch foldable AMOLED screen with 2K+ resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, a 6.53-inch LTPO OLED cover screen with 120Hz refresh rate. It will have a 50MP main camera with the same IMX921 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide with autofocus, and a 50MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, the device will have two 32MP shooters. It will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. A 6000 mAh battery with 90W wired and 30W wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.